When it comes to spotting wildfires, one man is keeping a watchful eye, but that's only a small part of his unique story. Billy Ellis has been making this commute to work for the last 33 summers, walking up nearly 150 steps to the Devil's Head Watchtower near Denver, where he looks out for fires. At 85 years old, takes him a little longer than it used to, but Billy says the fires he's spotted and the visitors he meets make him keep pushing forward.
Well, I retired and had a heart attack and had cancer but everything turned out all right, so I'm back again. As soon as you retire, you die. you gotta keep going.
Well, let's hope he doesn't retire soon, but when he does retire, Billy may have been one of the last watchmen, because technology like helicopters and cell phones are now being used to alert authorities when there's a fire emergency.